This history video got over 1 million views in the last 30 days, and it was made entirely with AI. There's a Faceless YouTube channel that has posted only 7 videos, and they've already gained 30,000 subscribers. Their first upload hit 1 million views on its own. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to create the same style viral history videos using AI. So before we start, we need to pick a specific history topic. And during this video, I'll share some of the best topics you can use when creating your own AI-generated history videos. For this example, I'm going to choose the Roman Empire. As you can see, by simply typing Roman Empire on YouTube, these videos are getting millions of views, meaning there's a huge demand. Now, let's go to ChatGPT and type in this prompt. Give me the 5 top iconic moments or stories from the Roman Empire that I can use to create a short animated story video. If you choose a different topic for your history videos, just replace Roman Empire with your topic. After ChatGPT gives us some ideas, I'm going to pick one of them and generate a detailed prompt I can use for creating the animated history video. So I'm simply going to copy one of the iconic moments and paste it together with this prompt inside ChatGPT. Again, if you're making a video about a different history topic, just insert your iconic moment that ChatGPT gave you inside the brackets where it says insert your moment. All right, once we have our prompt ready, the hardest part is done. Now we can go and generate the viral animated history video. So for this, we're going to use a software called Magic Light. You can sign up for free using the first link in the description or in the pinned comment below. Once you log in, click Story to Video. Select your aspect ratio, landscape for long-form YouTube videos, portrait for short-form videos, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. For this example, I'll select landscape. Then choose your video language. They offer a wide variety of languages, so your videos don't have to be in English. But for my example, I'm choosing English. Next, pick your model. There's a new upgraded Magic Light 2.0 model, which allows you to create intricate details and stunning clarity. So I'm choosing this one. After that, choose a style. Since my topic is in ancient history, I think the 3D cartoon 2.0 style is the best fit. It's one of the newest upgraded styles and it looks amazing. Then paste your prompt into the smart script box and select your video duration. If you're just starting a YouTube channel, I recommend sticking with shorter videos. Later on, once you get monetized, you can start making 10 to 30 minute videos. The cool thing about Magic Light is that it actually allows you to generate full 30-minute videos. On the right side, you'll also see the AI research tool, which detects the most trending animated storytelling videos right now. So if you need inspiration or ideas, you can find them here on the right. After I have everything set, I click Next. Magic Light then automatically generates a full synopsis of your video, meaning it creates the voiceover captions for the animated video based on your prompt, which you can edit right here. You can adjust the script however you like, but in my case, I leave it as it is and click Next. Now, Magic Light automatically detects the characters in your video. If you don't like the characters, you can click on them and change them. And as you can see, there's a lot of different characters to choose from. In my case, the characters are perfect, so I'll click Next. Now we arrive at Storyboard. On the left, you'll see all the generated scenes for your video. You can adjust the voiceover speed here and choose the speaker for your narration. Once everything looks good, click Next. You'll be asked if you want to animate all of your scenes. Make sure to select Animate All, ensure every scene is checked, and click Next. Here, you'll choose your animation model. There are different models available. The best value option is Magic Light 1.0, but if you want higher quality, I would recommend to go with Kling 2.1, which gives you a cleaner motion and highly detailed environments. Then click Confirm, select your caption style, and start the video generation. So the generation is finished, and here's how our final video looks like.
Suddenly, Simba rises, his movement swift and decisive. He grabs Caesar's toga at the shoulder, the signal, the moment of betrayal.
Honestly, it's insane that AI can create something like this in just a few minutes. Now, let's talk about how you can actually grow your channel with these videos and how much you can make. First, upload long-form or medium-form videos to YouTube. Then, using Magic Light, like I showed you, you can also create short-form vertical videos. You can literally take the same prompt you use for the long-form video and generate shorter versions for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Make sure you link to your YouTube channel on Instagram and TikTok so viewers can can watch your longer videos. And on YouTube, when you post a short, you can link to your long form video, driving extra traffic straight to your main upload. This does two things. It drives additional traffic to your main YouTube channel, and it also builds an audience ecosystem so you're not relying on a single platform. Now, if you want to grow fast and build a channel that people come back to, you need to build a moat around your channel, which means that you want to create content that becomes uniquely yours. It's hard for others to copy. And one of the best ways to do that is by focusing on a specific era in history, a specific civilization, a specific event category, or a specific religious or cultural timeline. For example, this channel, Childlike Media, built a massive moat by focusing on a Bible-based history stories. Because they cover a very specific type of story, their audience becomes extremely loyal. Having a clear topic makes everything so much easier because you can build a loyal audience around your channel. People subscribe because they know exactly what kind of content they will get, and you should aim to do the same with your channel. So here are some of the strongest topics for a history-based channel. Roman Empire. Again, huge fan base, endless stories, and constant search volume. World War II. One of the most popular history topics online, massive global appeal. Ancient Greece. Also very big search volume, big popular history topic. Biblical history and, other religious history topics. As I showed you earlier, extremely passionate audience. Vikings and Norse legends. Medieval battles and kingdoms. Ancient Egypt. Pyramids, mysteries, and ancient legends that always perform well. You can choose any of these or find even more topics using tools like ChatGPT. Picking a large, passionate fan base gives you millions of potential viewers right from day one. Now, let's talk about how much you can make with history channels like this. This really does depend on your topic and your audience demographics. YouTube does pay differently depending on who is watching your videos. Most history channels earn around between $2 to $5 per 1,000 views. With a highly engaged audience, this can climb higher. Even if we count for lower numbers, a video hitting 500,000 to 1 million views can earn you between $1,000 and $5,000. Combine that with sponsorships, affiliate links, and longer videos, and your channel becomes extremely profitable. And the best part is that you can create all of these videos using only AI. Now, if you want to take this seriously and create consistent videos, you'll need a Magic Light subscription. They offer 4 plans: Standard, Plus, Pro, and Ultra. The Standard plan gives you 6,000 credits, which is perfect to get started and publish your first videos. It's only $12 per month, and you would easily pay 20 times more if you hired freelancers or editors. The Plus plan gives you 15,000 credits. The Pro plan, which is their most popular one and the one that I use, gives you 35,000 credits. This is more than enough to consistently upload history videos. And the Ultra plan gives you 120,000 credits, which allows you to go to the next level, create longer videos, or even start multiple channels and build your own animated video empire. If you choose any of their yearly plans, you'll get a 50% bulk discount. On top of that, if you use my link in the description or pinned comment, you'll automatically get 5% off any plan. There is a link for Magic Light in the video description and pinned comment. And with that said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.